An aerial view of the Joshua apartment complex in Mesa, Arizona. Text: equal housing opportunity. A living room features wood-inspired flooring, wide windows that overlook landscape grounds, and a fireplace with a mantel. A kitchen area features open shelves mounted to a wall, a U-shaped counter section, in-ceiling lights, and wood-inspired flooring. An outdoor patio area features lounge chairs with umbrellas that surround an in-ground pool. Lounge chairs surround a hot tub adjacent to the in-ground pool area. The patio area also features a space for barbecue grilling. Tree-lined paths surround grassy park areas. A gym features elliptical machines, treadmills, and weight training equipment. Floor-to-ceiling windows in the gym overlook the in-ground pool and patio area. A kitchen area segues into a dining room area that features wood-inspired flooring and in-ceiling lights. The dining room area segues into a living room area that features a combination ceiling fan and light fixture, wood-inspired flooring, as well as heating and air conditioning vents. A bathroom features a large square vanity mirror with wall-mounted lights and cylindrical casings, wood-inspired flooring, and a walk-in shower. Other on-site amenities include a playground and a dog park.